Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Soundcore P20i. You have to start by open the application and now go to controls. And let's work with it. So for the left one, earbud, for the single tap I wanna volume down. For the double tap, I prefer to play previous track, but it's up to you, you can change to the better for you. And for the press and hold, I prefer to, for the left one, use Siri. And let's go for the right one. For the single tap, volume up. For the double tap, next track, play next track. And press and hold, play pause. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!